Do your clients own rental properties here in the Bay Area?
Do your clients want to generate more income?
Do you have clients that are hesitant to sell due to lack of replacement properties?
Hi, my name is Eric Carlson, and this is Amit Urban of the Carlson Urban team. We are new additions to the KW Commercial. Collectively, we have closed more than $1 billion of transactions here in the Bay Area and across the United States.
Properties in the Bay Area have appreciated significantly over the last 10 years. However, rental income hasn't grown at the same rate. Furthermore, California is no longer landlord friendly, with many rent control initiatives being put up on the ballot or being debated on at the state level. Many Bay Area income owners that have all this appreciated equity are just simply not generating enough income that is sufficient.
From our experience of working with hundreds of investors, the average rental property in the Bay Area is generating 2 to 3% on their equity, or lower if financed.
Come join us at our next seminar where we'll be discussing strategies that we have used with our clients and other agents to help them potentially generate more income. We'll be talking about what is trapped equity. We'll also be talking about if a 1031 exchange makes sense for your client. And lastly, we'll be talking about replacement options for rental property owners that are looking for properties that require zero management responsibility. More specifically, the Delaware Statutory Trust and out-of-state triple net lease property.
We look forward to meeting you and seeing you at our next seminar. Thank you.